I have been asked by many people how to start a butterfly garden. What plants can I add to my current garden to make it more butterfly friendly? First, before we get to the plants, we need to have the garden ready. Make sure your garden is getting enough sun. If you currently have weeds in your garden, they will need to be removed. You have a couple choices. Dig them all up by hand or cover the ground with a plastic barrier or trash bags, fabric ground cloth, lay newspaper, or cardboard on top of them for 6 to 8 weeks, and they will die out by themselves. Here you can see we chose a thick ground cover. We rolled it back 8 weeks later. All weeds had died. Then all we had to do is rake and till the soil. Prepare the soil around the plant with some type of compost, organic fertilizer, and even the light spread of worm castings. The garden is now ready for planting. I would suggest when you put the new plants in your garden, plan on watering them daily for a week or 2. After that, if they are native plants, they should be able to take care of themselves. Choose host plants and nectar plants for specific butterflies. Remember, butterflies lay eggs on specific host plants, then caterpillars will eat those plants when they hatch. The place where you purchase the plants should be able to help with your selection. Butterflies will need some of each. A nice thing about having plants is you will increase the number of bees and birds you have in your garden. You might even be lucky enough to get a hummingbird. The nectar plants will provide food for the butterflies. The garden has been completed. Many people get to enjoy our labors. There are many good YouTube videos on this subject. Good luck and enjoy what you have created.
This video was produced by Bill Oakley. For more videos of this type, please subscribe to his channel.